5th May, class 10, unit 3, pair of linear equation, two variables. And subtopic we will discuss today, solution of statements, questions of exercise 3.4. 3.4 के स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चंस को आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे उनके सॉल्यूशंस को. नाउ वी आर सीइंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फर्स्ट पार्ट वी रीड द स्टेटमेंट NCERT. We read the statement from the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their form. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions by the elimination method. So first of all, we have to form the pair of linear equations in the following problems. Problem we are given, and first of all we have to form the equations, and after the formation of equations we will find the solutions. Now first part we discuss, we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, and at last we are required to find the fraction. So let numerator equals to x, let denominator equals to y. Therefore the required fraction will be x upon y. Now case 1, in case 1 we are given, if we add 1 to the numerator, we suppose the numerator initially x, now we are adding 1 to the numerator and subtract from the denominator. Now the fraction we have x plus 1 upon y minus 1 after adding 1 to the numerator and subtracting 1 from the denominator, and according to condition it reduces to 1. According to condition the fraction becomes 1. Now we convert into pair of linear equation two variables by cross multiplication is equal to x minus y equals to minus 1 minus 1, and we obtain the equation x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is the first linear equation two variables according to the condition. Now we read the second case, case second, and we will form the second equation. Now the case is, the fraction becomes 1 upon 2. The fraction जो है, it will become 1 upon 2 if we add 1 to the denominator. There is no change in the numerator. Numerator will remain the same according to condition, and denominator 1 is added to the denominator and the fraction becomes 1 upon 2 after adding 1 to the denominator. Now we make the equation 2x is equal to y plus 1, 2x minus y equals to 1, then we obtain second equation. Now in this way we have pair of linear equations. Now one equation we have x minus y is equal to minus 2. Second equation x minus y equals to minus 1, second equation. In this way we have got two equations, pair of linear equations. Equations have been formed. Now we have to find their solution by elimination method. In elimination, you know, already we have been taught, we have to eliminate one variable. So here we are eliminating y, and we are seeing that the variable which is to be eliminated y have the same coefficients, then there is no need to multiply equation 1 and equation 2, but the system is both have the same sign, and I taught you in the case of same sign we operate the operation of subtraction, and in subtraction you know sign will be changed. In this way y will be cancelled out, and after subtraction minus 3x is equal to minus 1, and x is equal to, there is something wrong, minus x, not 3x, minus 2x plus x. it will give us minus x. 3 will not come. We write minus x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 upon minus 1 equals to 1. Now we obtain x is equal to 1. Now we put the value of x in equation 1. Putting value of x in equation 1. We write the equation 1. X minus y is equal to minus 2. 1 minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus y is equal to we obtain minus y is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 3. Now we have got the values of x and y. Then at last we write the answer. The required fraction. The fraction equals to x upon y and that will equal to 1 upon 3. The fraction is 1 upon 3. This is the way to solve out the statement problems in accordance with the given conditions. At first we have got the formulation of pair of linear equations, and after obtaining the equations we solve it by the method of elimination. Clear? Now similarly, now we discuss question 2, second part. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So first of all, we suppose their present ages. Let me suppose present age of Noori equals to x years. Question number 2, second part. Let present age of Noori equals to x years. Let present age of Sonu equals to y years. We have supposed present ages of Noori and Sonu. Now, according to condition, case 1, 5 years ago. 5 years ago, what will be the age of Noori? Present x years, and 5 years ago it will become x minus 5. Age of Sonu 5 years ago, what was? Y minus 5 years. And according to condition ATQ, what is the condition? Noori was thrice at Sonu. Age of Noori equals to thrice, 3 into age of Sonu. Thrice means multiplied by 3. Now put the values. X minus 5 is equal to 3, y minus 5. X minus 5 is equal to, now we are forming the equations in two variables, and we have got the equation in two variables. Minus 10 x minus 3y equals to minus 10. This is the first linear equation in two variables in accordance with the given conditions. Now similarly we will form the second equation. Case second, we read out. Case second. In second case, 10 years later. Later means बाद में 10 years later, age of Noori, what will be? Later means plus, ago means minus. एगो में माइनस करते हैं, लेटर में या आफ्टर में वी एड x plus 10 years. Age of Sonu, similarly, what will be? Y plus 10 years. ATQ, what is the condition we are given? 10 years later, Noori will be twice as Sonu. Age of Noori equals to twice. Twice means multiplied by 2. Age of Sonu. And age of Sonu is y plus 10. Age of Noor is x plus 10. Y plus 10. We make the equation. And we have got the equation x minus 2y equals 20 minus 10. X minus 2y equals to 10. This is the second linear equation in two variables. Is it? Now we have got the two equations and we will solve them by the method of elimination. Now what was the first equation? पहली इक्वेशन क्या थी याद है? What was the first equation?